No. Oh. What up, boys? 2 sec. Anybody wait? How we doing, guys? How we doing, guys? Welcome back. Let's see if we can get some good stuff today on a beautiful Monday. Hello, Clown. How are you doing? Hello, Goud. Hello, buddy. Hello, Andrews. Hello, buddy. So, NQ is opening now, the bell, so I'm gonna look for NASDAQ, and then we also have a sell zone on gold if gold managed to reach it. I have 2 key levels on gold. The first one is 4,079 and the second one is 4,102. So I have 2 key levels on gold for sells, and then we're gonna look for NASDAQ for like a scalp. Can you make the price scene? No, I don't know how to fix it. On computer, you should be able to see it. If you watch from a computer, you should be able to find it. Oh. Text. Zoom out? I mean, it's already zoomed out. Does it look different on phone? Give me a moment. It looks like on phone you can see the price, guys. I can see the price on the phone. You should be able to see it. But I see if you go inside the okay, I will fix that for tomorrow. I see if you press inside you can see it. That makes sense. And also the chat is above the chart. It's because when you watch on the computer it looks different. Okay, I see. I see what you mean now. Or just tomorrow I'll see how to zoom out, because I can see it looks weird. Have it always been like this? Or looks like the previous videos you could see the numbers. I think I know how to fix it tomorrow. I think I know how to fix it. I do need to fix the screen a little bit, the colors. That one. Why TikTok banned you? Because TikTok changed the, what is it called? The policy of gambling and trading, so you're not allowed to trade on the platform anymore. Sadly. But maybe if the guy from America is gonna buy it, maybe he loves Wall Street and wanna allow trading again. That would be nice. That'd be very cool if they could change it back again. Because on TikTok I could use whatever music I want. But still, most people trade on live TikTok. No, they get banned. They will have to keep making new accounts, or they don't have enough viewers. When I had above 1,000 viewers on TikTok, I will just get banned almost instantly. It's only because they're either not big enough or they keep making new accounts all the time. You can also search in the policy. You can see trading is not allowed on their platform, which is frustrating, but it is what it is. But it doesn't matter, because with the book I'm releasing, it's gonna go crazy. So YouTube is gonna get crazy soon. Let's see NASDAQ. What is NASDAQ doing? I miss those bangers on TikTok. That winning streak was mental. Yeah, but trust me, man, trust me. I would say almost 2x. Like, I'm almost doubled as good now as I was back on TikTok, trading wise. Like, even though I haven't been live a lot, I'm still way better now that I was on TikTok. So once we get started again on YouTube, it's gonna go, like, I know it's gonna get way crazier than TikTok. That's why I haven't been in a rush to stream, because I know that once we start, it's gonna go crazy. And we also been on a crazy all-time high run, and I don't trade all-time highs, so I spent the time finishing the book while we were trading all-time highs. So now I'm back, and it's gonna go crazy. And it doesn't matter how many people are watching. All that matters is the quality of the trades, because we make more money from trading than live streaming anyway. So as long as trades are good, I'm happy. So it's gonna go crazy. Welcome, Proxy. I'm happy for you watching. I appreciate it. Let's see. I would love gold to just move, but looks like we're gonna consolidate, so maybe NASDAQ is gonna be the first trade. Which time zone are you on? On NASDAQ, I'm looking at the 15-minute chart. Are you in a trade currently? No. I'm not in a trade currently. Guess who's back? In the back. Yeah, welcome, man. Welcome, buddy. Welcome, buddy. I'll change to NASDAQ on this screen once we get close, okay? Once we get close, I'm gonna shift. So you're not gonna miss anything. I'm just looking on my other monitors. And I'm also gonna start webcam soon again because I'm gonna do some giveaways, and I need the webcam to give it. Do you support and resistance? I mean, sometimes yeah, but kind of depends. I mean, support and resistance basically everywhere in trading. Do you have an Instagram profile? Yes, it's called Emias Trading. It has like 22,000 followers, I guess. I haven't really been posting a lot on it, but I'm gonna start soon as well there. Hey, what's up, Elicha? How you doing, man? Welcome back. Welcome back, my friend. I'm so excited for the book, man, and the videos. It is crazy stuff. And it's all gonna be free as well. What strategy do you use? I use the blue line strategy. I can't explain my strategy in small terms. That's why I made the book, so you can read the book. Are you done working on the books? I only need the, what is it called, the cover. I paid someone to design the cover, or the book cover, whatever you call it. And then it's basically ready to get out. But I'm gonna make a YouTube video combined with the chapters. So for the people that don't like to read, including myself, I actually hate to read, even though I'm writing a book. You can just watch a video. And also because when it comes to explaining the strategies, it's sometimes easier to just make a video instead of having it in the book. It's really hard to sometimes explain in a book. It's easier on a video. But it's gonna be free. You can basically you can just watch it on YouTube. And the ebook is also free. If you want the physical book, you have to pay for the shipping. And that's, I don't know how cheap that is. It's like $3, $5, I have no idea. But it's basically free. And you pay the shipping if you want the physical book. But we are planning to become a bestseller on Amazon. The people I work with have like hundreds of bestsellers. They are fucking crazy at what they do. So I think I hired the right guy, or the right team. I hope we're gonna become a bestseller. I think the book has the potential. But it's also a book that, how do I explain this? Like you really have to love trading to love the book, in my opinion. If you don't really love trading, the book is not gonna hit you the same way. If you only trade because you think it's funny to make some quick bucks. But if you actually love trading, I think the book is the most perfect book ever. Is the course still available? Yes. Here it is. We just need gold to wake up a little bit. You don't worry about the news? No. I don't. I actually never really care about the news. I only check the news to not enter on the same minutes it comes out, but as long as you just understand price action, you don't really care about news. Come on, Goldie. We just need to break above the 42 area and then we should be good to go towards the sell zone. The sell zone is made inside the gap, so we should get some good rejections, hopefully, if we have enough orders. And NASDAQ is just selling off a little bit. I'm still bullish on NASDAQ a little bit. Quote, you can find it on the website, so is the news in 15 minutes? I mean, I haven't even checked the news. Let me check. It's only ISM, guys. That's basically useless. Manufacturing, I don't really care about that. It's not something major. You just have to stay away the 5 minutes before and after, then you're basically good. Basically good to go. Come on, gold. I know you want to break out. No, yo. Come on, gold. PMI? I thought, did it not say PMI? What did it say? I mean, it's ISM manufacturing. PMI is basically useless. It's not something you should look at. Boom. Ooh, gold. Looks like gold is coming up now. That would be fire. That would be fire. It's a very good sell zone. I've been having it for since what? Last what, Monday? So I've been waiting for a long time to get it. Hopefully we get it today. Could happen. With the right volume. I'll be so happy. Happy. But NASDAQ is just pumping around in the same area where it started. Come on, gold. You can see it's struggling. I remember when it was still No Risk No Ravi. Yeah, that was a good name. That was a funny name and good name. I mean, I just wish they will open TikTok again. That would be crazy. Then I can live stream with some actually normal music instead of this yoga music. But it's okay. Looks like gold's coming now. You sound like someone I used to watch his live and your setup's just like him. I mean, I am him, bro. That's because I am him. I basically throughout all 2025, I haven't really been consistently streaming. I've been working on a lot of different stuff, but I am him you're talking about. You probably watch me on TikTok, but I am that guy. I am that guy. But we are back, man, with a new book. Like everything is just perfect now. Below all-time highs. Like this is like 2026 is by far gonna be the year. Like that is gonna be the craziest year. I just know it. Trading wise, everything. We're gonna outperform 2024 and 2023. In Australia, I see a lot of TikTok live trading showing all trades. Yeah, but they're either too small to be noticed or they are making new accounts all the time. Like you can find a streamer that has a lot of viewers and not getting banned. I mean, if they have a secret, I would love to get the secret so I can trade, man. I mean, I could try TikTok, but I'm planning to make all the videos for the book on YouTube, so that it would make no sense. It would not make sense to. It's okay, Infinity. I don't mind keeping you. You've still been loyal since day one on TikTok. Not now, but maybe 2026. Do you see gold hitting 5K? I mean, he can basically hit 10K if he wants to. I mean, I actually don't really care about the long term gold prices. I just need good setups on an intraday basis. I don't really care if it goes to 100,000. As long as I get some good setups, I'm happy. Actually, I don't want the price to go to 5,000. That means we trade all-time highs. I would rather trade below all-time highs, so. But normally I don't really care where the price is. I just need good setups on an intraday, and then we're good. Because when you trade with leverage, it doesn't really matter where the price goes. We just need a small move. We just need 200 pips, and then we're good. How's life? Life is good, bro. Life is good. How about you? The key level was 79, right? That's the first one, but the potential sell zone is 4,102. DH, I just came back, so yeah, from today, yes. I'm back after writing the book, sorry. Not reading the book, writing the book. Not bad at the moment. Nice, bro. It's good to see. Future price, yes, but you can still copy it on your own. You just have to wait for my entry. And I will tell you when I sell, you can basically just do the same on your spot price. Come on, gold. I'm still keeping an eye on NASDAQ so we can take a NASDAQ trade if gold doesn't move. TradingView update just came. Nice. I mean, I'm not really using TradingView anymore, but still great to see. If it's good, of course. I don't know if it's good or bad. I hope it's good. Oh yeah. Come on, gold. You're almost breaking out now. Just do it. Don't be greedy. Give me that entry. I can't change my video quality. You should be able to. Let me check. If you go under, let me find it. Quality. What is the highest quality? Wait, I can't choose more. Wait, I can't choose myself. I used to be able to. Is that because I put it to low latency? I think if you have it on low latency, it's loading faster. Therefore, you can. I don't know. Could be the reason. Are you African? No, I'm not from Africa. I am not. I'm from Denmark, sadly. Come on, gold. Almost breaking out. I don't know what you're waiting for. W, it's actually going pretty well. We just need it's because after you have a deal, you have to what's it called, like get approved from the government, because when people travel, you have to have some guarantees and stuff. Because if people, like, if something goes bankrupt, people need to be able to get home, if you know what I mean. So there's a lot of like paperwork, but it's going fine. We just need all the boring stuff to be done. Hello, Kevin. How you doing, brother? Hello, Nantran. How you doing? How you doing, man? I'm happy to see that W. I appreciate it. It's gonna be nice once it's done, hopefully. Hello, Namini. How you doing, buddy? How you doing, buddy? You're welcome, Kevin. You're welcome. I hope you're gonna like the book once I get the cover. I'm actually very I don't know how the cover is gonna look like, so even I'm very excited to see it. I hope he has a previous his previous results are pretty good. That's why I chose him. He's a bestseller on the designs, so I hope his design is good. But we will see. The chart I use is what is it called? Top Step X. That's the word. Top Step X is Top Step's app, own app. Nico, I know you're Nico. I could see it on your profile picture, man. I just forgot it was Nico, but I remembered your picture. Welcome back, brother. Looks like gold is coming now, guys. So put on your seatbelts. We're going for a ride. Hopefully a good ride. Not too much turbulence. Well, we never know. Come on, please, baby. Come to Papa. So we can start the Monday with a banger. Come on, please. NASDAQ is just keep going down. I missed the missed jokes. They're also back, bro. They're also back. The bad jokes. Oh, NASDAQ. Look at NASDAQ, boys. It's making a good discount. We also have a gap at 26,000, so looks like it's coming to fill the gap. Could be possible. Let's see. Gold is slowly dying again. Come on. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, guys, I don't think you understand how fucking excited I am for the book. It's literally it's my Bible now. When people ask me what I believe in the read through the smoke Bible. It became my Bible. That's the only thing I believe in. If you learn how to read through the smoke, you're gonna be able to see God. And the name, which is Read Through the Smoke, once you read the book, I mean that title just makes so much sense, and it's just so fucking good. How are you? I'm very good, bro. I'm very good. How about you? Just waiting for some cell zones so we can get paid. You use FIB tools? No FIB tools. No FIBs. I hope he gives me I don't what's it called? I hope it doesn't take too long for him to make the cover, because I was planning to post the video today, but it looks like it's not finished today. I don't know how long it takes. I thought it was like a one day work to make a cover. But of course, if the quality has to be good as well. We kind of have to wait for that. Parrot, once my book come out, you can read about my strategy. I don't. It's. I can't just explain it in simple words. But basically, I buy low, sell high. That's probably the easiest explanation. Not bad. Nice, bro. That's good to hear. Let's see if gold can keep the momentum towards the sell zone and then we sell the high. That would be nice. That would be very nice. Oof. Oh, oof, oof. That's a lot of pips. That's a lot of pips. Do-do-do. Come on, gold. Gold is legit just dead. Please wake up. What is the plan for next year? I mean, the plan is basically releasing the book, which I'm gonna do once I get the cover, and then I'm going back to the good TikTok trades just on YouTube instead. Hopefully we get banger after banger after banger after banger like we used to do, like the old days. I mean, I know we're gonna do it because I'm way better now, even though my performance back then was insane. I know that I'm even better now than I was then. So if the trade on TikTok was crazy, I might just wait till we get like good momentum on YouTube. It's gonna be nice. Hopefully we can break the 6-month 0 losses that we did on TikTok. That would be crazy to break. So let's just take it slow and then just building a good profit. Ugh. Face reveal? I mean, you can go on my Instagram. You should be able to see my face. But all the pictures I have is pretty old. It's like 3 years old. Damn, NASDAQ is just smelting. It's falling. I'm sorry, you might be a good trader, but with that zone, where's the liquidity? I mean, once you understand liquidity, you would say that there's a lot of liquidity right there. Liquidity is not above highs and lows, bro. You have been watching the wrong YouTuber if you think that. Stop watching TJR and ICT, please. See through the smoke, man. You need to be able to read through the smoke. Can you tell us the sell zone? I can't see the numbers. Yes, it's 4,102.5 on futures. Is a futures price? Yes, but you can still copy the trade. If you're on the live stream, when I say that I'm selling, you can just do the same on your spot price. I guess gold is just bro, can you make a trend line below on lower low? The fuck? I don't do that, I'm sorry. I'm not trending, I'm not placing trend lines. Hello, darling. How you doing, brother? Or girl? The guy I was talking about was... Oh, that's not me. That's another guy. Maybe sis? True. True. I mean, I think Darlin Negudia, or how you pronounce it, it sounds like a girl name, actually. Are you a girl, Darlin? Are you a girl or guy? I don't mind if you're, I don't care which one, but just for curiosity. While we wait for gold. Hello, Sakin. How you doing, brother? What are you doing? Traded? I mean, I don't know what you mean. I'm just waiting for the zones. Do you even know how to do trading? Nope. I'm actually very bad at trading, bro. Very bad. I'm probably the worst trader you've ever seen. I'm the number one. I actually think I can make more with closed eyes than you can, by the way, in trading. Because you will lose money automatically. So if I just close my eyes, I'll be break even. And you'll lose, so... Come on, gold. Gold. Market will go bullish. I mean, if you know that beforehand, why are you not in with like a $1 billion contract? Or like $1 million contract. If you know it's gonna happen, like why you're not making $1 million on it? That would be stupid in my opinion. Like if you knew it was gonna be bullish, I mean, why the fuck are you not a millionaire? That's the question you should be asking. I don't care, and I just make it a little bit fun. I don't really care. I just find it funny actually. I actually think it's funny. What pair? It's gold. Goldie goldie. We just need to get filled. And then I'm also looking at NASDAQ on the other screen. But gold is really struggling to break out. Please tell me, do you have a WhatsApp or Telegram? I do have a Telegram. It's free to join. There should be a link in the bio. No limits yet. Right now it's just a zone. We wait to get close before we take action. You swing? I mean, I do intraday. I try to keep my stop losses as a scalp and then my profits as a swing. Doom, 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 doom. I'm just looking for ScarKing777 to send me his $1 million position long. I mean, he was so confident that it was going to go up, so I'm waiting for the screenshots with $1 million contracts. I mean, he knows it's gonna go up, right? So it's easy money. Free money! Darling, you can also just sub to the YouTube channel because I'm gonna post videos and the book on YouTube very soon. Like very soon. So if you just subscribe, you should be able to get the video when I release the book. And it's gonna be a bestseller on Amazon, hopefully. But let's see. Ding, ding, ding. Gonna run some paid ads and stuff to get it out there. Hello, Frida. How you doing, buddy? Come on, gold. Gold. You scale down from the monthly chart? No, I actually don't do that at all. I don't really scale down that much. I basically just keep it on the same time frame. And then I switch around. Actually, for me it's actually the opposite. I see something on the, let's say, the 15 minute, and then if I see a good zone, I zoom out to see if it aligns with the daily candles, or if the zone I found on the 15 minute it's too early or something. So it's actually the opposite. Like I do, I actually go on the smaller time frames and then I zoom out to see if the key levels I found is placed somewhere stupid on the higher time frames. So that's actually how I do it. But we just need gold to fucking move. Move your body. We can focus to how many pairs to become. I mean, I will just suggest one. There's no reason to have multiple pairs. One is more than enough. Like, I normally just focus on gold, and then sometimes I add silver or platinum, and now NASDAQ, but you don't need more pairs. One pair is more than enough. Sometimes I would actually say you make more money trading one pair because you focused on getting the maximum returns on that pair instead of splitting your focus, and then you're missing good opportunities. Come on, gold. Are you gay? When you pump it up song? Yeah. But sadly YouTube does not allow it. Sadly YouTube is being greedy with the music, so we can't put it on. That was funny, that was so funny when we used to do that. Especially before news. Everyone was shaking their ass off. Afraid to lose their house and money. But yeah, now we use yoga music because that is what YouTube allows. But yeah. Rock your body. Go. What is the best time to trade gold? I don't care. You can trade all sessions. They all have their pros and cons. A lot of the times, the best runners you get is in the Asia session or pre-London session. That's where you get the longest runs, but it depends. There is no specific time. Gold. Goldie. NASDAQ is also just trading in a very bad range. It's not beautiful, it's not beautiful. It is not beautiful. Welcome, Kevin. I appreciate it. Darling, there's a link and it's free to join. You can just press the link. Time frame. This is the 4 hour. Ugh. But I zoomed out to make it easier to see. So the zone is made on, I think it's the 15 or the 30-minute time frame. I just zoomed out so it was easier to see the zone. But with gold volume, normally we can easily get filled, but today we are not moving at all. Sadly. But hopefully volume kicks in sooner or later. Dun, 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 dun. Come on, gold. I'm trying to see if I can squeeze in a long on NASDAQ, but it's keep falling. So I think it's best to just stay away a little longer. And gold is just, yeah, doing goldy. Oh, gold. Gold, gold, goldy, goldy, goldy. Don't do me dirty. That is a little bit of rip. Just consolidate. We might be stuck here forever, man. Unfortunately. NASDAQ is just keep going down. That's unlucky. Holy cow, NASDAQ is smelting. Damn. No. I'm trying to see if I can find some kind of sell opportunity. End of month and start of month market not the best. I mean, it doesn't really matter, it's still fine. It also depends on what you trade. Like it all depends on how you approach. The people who trade momentum trading like trend days, the people who trade reversals like some kind of consolidation at some areas, like it just depends on what you're looking for. I mean, every day there's opportunity. It just depends on how you trade, and if the opportunity aligns with how you trade. So, for example, the people who trade double tops and double bottoms, they would have made money on NASDAQ today on shorts. So, but I don't trade double tops like that. So it's not because it's bad, it's just because if you trade specific things, you just need to wait for that specific thing. But I mean, gold has just not moved at all. And I was hoping we could get to the sell zone, but without moves, we don't have any good entries. Looks like NASDAQ is going for the gap now, so we could see some bullish trades soon. Could also break the previous low. So let's wait, guys. Let's wait. We might have a long on NASDAQ soon. Let me change it over here. So, let me see if I can find it. Right here, baby. Wait, did I move it wrong? Oh, like this. I was like, what the fuck? Perfect. Nice. We have a gap right here, as you can see on the 26,000. So I think this is a very good discount to take along. We also have a morning doji. As you can see, we just used the top wick on that doji. So I think the buy zone actually looks fine. Of course, it depends on the volume once we get close to it. But as of right now, it looks like a fine place to take along. So let's see if we can get there. I have to go 17, so that is in 30 minutes. So hopefully we get filled. It has good potential to be the bottom. Let me check the previous day. Okay, it's still inside the previous day. That is a little rough because we didn't manage to break the previous high. So breaking the previous low could actually happen very quickly. So we have to be keeping out an eye for that. But let's see. Come on, baby. This is the 30-minute. Oh wait, you can't see the whole. Wait, let me like this. Can you see now? Looks better. Even the music, it's like going to sleep music. Like the chart is like we're going to sleep. The music is like we're going to sleep. Soon I will go to sleep. No. Oh, unbelievable slow. Unbelievable slow. Oh my god, now it's reversing. NASDAQ, you bastard. What NQ trade are you looking for? I was looking for the buy zone, but yeah, I guess NASDAQ had other plans. Just made a double bottom, that's it. And I don't think gold is moving. This is the 4 hour, by the way, so it's not been moving for like fucking 2 days. Zero movement. A little bit annoying. And NASDAQ is just going up again. God damn it. Today might be not the best day to catch something great. I don't really know what to do. I was looking at the sell zone on gold and the buy zone on NASDAQ, but looks like it's not going to get filled. Sadly. I mean, we basically cannot do anything inside this. It's basically impossible. But the good thing is gold is not trading all-time highs, so hopefully it doesn't take too long to get a bang on gold, get 500 pips, and then we can start off great. But if you see gold, you can see it's basically not moving anywhere. The sell zone is still good. I mean, if we go up, I'm just gonna go back live, but as of right now, nothing is happening. Like nothing is happening. And it's, yeah. And the same with the buy zone. If we don't reach it, it's basically impossible to trade it. Hopefully tomorrow we can, yeah, so of course, man. Every single day we will try to get a good trade. We just need a runner, and then we're already in a huge buffer. The sad thing is, the last trade we took live on NASDAQ was all the way down here. This green wick. This wick was a buy, and that would have been, I don't even know how many pips. What that would have been like crazy. That was the low before the run, and we got out on break even. I moved my break even a little too quick, so this buy right here, that should have been like fucking 10,000 pips. Ended up being a break even, which is sad to think about because we was on such a strong rally after, but it happens. So I'm gonna go off now, guys. If we reach any of the zones, I'm just gonna go back. But when we're not moving towards the zones, I'm just wasting your time. I'm not gonna trade like consolidations. So, but we are still back, and we're gonna make some good trades from now. On TikTok, we didn't get daily trades as well, but we still got bangers. So we're just gonna be patient and wait for a good trade. It's worth always to wait. So thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully you're gonna like the book. It's gonna come out very soon. See you, boys and girls. See you guys.